Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a cover image for your playlist on Spotify. So here I've already opened the Spotify on my PC, and then if you want to change the playlist, just go to the playlist that you want to change its cover. Just click on the playlist and then put your cursor here. As you can see, this will automatically choose photo. To edit it, just click on the cover, the recent cover, and choose the cover that you want to use on your computer like this, and then click on open. Okay, when you're done, just click on save here. Wait for the changes, and just like that, the cover has been edited and it has been changed. Okay, so that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and don't forget to click like and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in next video. Bye bye.